sight. He wouldn't lose without a fight. Took one short glance straight at me, and then he said, "You leave her be." Would I dare ask her out? The look he gave her, I knew she really went for me, and I knew he'd never let her free. He's so tough. He's so tough. Still saw her until he found us out. Then one day in the park, a voice came shouting from the dark. I see them walking from time to time. I still remember she was mine. He's so tough. He's so tough. He's so tough. He's so tough.